Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Michael and this is episode 2 of the Yamaha Jog CV50 build. Last episode we pulled down the bodywork and we pulled this little motor out of the frame of the scooter. Now this one is the last generation of the Minarelli motors in the Yamahas, I believe. I could be wrong, leave a comment if I'm wrong, tell me below. But this one is a 5BM motor. A little bit different to the previous Jog motors. And to my left is a box containing all the parts for this little motor here. So this episode we're going to do a unboxing and go through the plans of the build for the Yamaha Jog. Alright, so I'm pretty excited to get this box. I've been waiting a while for it. As you can see, there's a fair few goodies in it, so we'll go through all those goodies. So, first one. Stage 6 crankshaft. Second one. Stage 6 70cc street race cylinder, piston, and all the goodies. What do we got here? Stage 6 clutch belt. A bit of a theme happening here. Stage 6 air filter. Stage 6 variator kit. Stage 6 clutch. Stage 6 drive face. Stage 6 choke cable. A Molossi belt. Some bearings. Some stickers, stage 6 variator weights, some shims, a spark plug which is out of the box, another spark plug, one last piece, a Yasuni C10 exhaust. I'm pretty excited. So let's start going through all these and open them up and have a look, because this is awesome. Okay, I just want to point out, Stage 6 have not sponsored this video, neither has Yasuni. But if you're watching, you know where to find me. If you need some nudes, wow, I can help you out there. Anyway, enough of the funny business. Okay, so I guess that is the grand plan, so to speak. We now know the idea with this motor. We're going to take it from a 49cc right up to 70cc using a stage 6 street race cylinder and all the stage 6 fruit coupled with a Yasuni C10 exhaust. Please drop a comment in the comment box below. It actually helps the channel grow. It'd be a great help if you could do it. And be sure to check out the guys on Custom Scooters Australia for all the Aussie scooter content there. Cheers guys.